Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I'm inviting to Bhargavi to this podcast, and she will be sharing some amazing manifestation and how she cracked like in better opportunities in the market. So Bhargavi, I'm just welcome to the community. We are eagerly waiting to how you like and getting like in 40 plus above LPA in a such kind of a short. I know you are putting a lot of effort, but want to share how the success story also.
Yeah, sure, Devi. Thank you inviting me to this, and I'm so happy to. Yeah, actually, I joined this community in the month of in the month of April, I'm telling the dates. I will let you know why I'm telling. I joined on
Mhm.
April 5th, and
Okay.
I put my purpose on April 1st in my current organization. I'm in
Okay.
a I'm a data engineer with the on-premise data engineer. I don't. I have just an exposure. I have just a hands-on on data factory, and I
Mm.
just learned from the YouTube and data factory and PySpark. That is, I know. Like I didn't know depth knowledge of it. Just basics. I know. That's it. I'm thinking from so many years. I learned so many courses. I'm trying. I'm telling you, I tried multiple things to switching from on-prem to other technologies. Now the world is moving towards AI, as we are all know that, like
Yes.
data science and AI, machine learning. Moving, I'm trying multiple things. I joined multiple courses to change my career. I
Mhm.
told on April 5th, I still remember, because why I'm saying this is on April 5th, we were traveling on the car. I joined your Sunday session. I told to my
Mhm.
husband, we both are listening your session on that Sunday. And I told
Okay.
him, give me a try. He knows that. I tried multiple trainings, multiple courses. I spent lakhs of amount on that. And I
Mhm.
asked him, give me a last chance. Give me a last chance, I will join this course. If I didn't crack it, I won't join any other trainings next time onwards. Believe
Mhm.
me, these are the things I have done since 3 years. I am doing, trying to change. I don't know the destination which I need to choose. Also, I'm not sure.
Mhm.
I'm a data engineering in the on-premise. Like, what
Mm.
are the technologies I need to choose? I'm not sure, but I'm trying. I'm trying to learn something. This is my motto because the world is moving towards AI. I need to
Yes.
learn something. So,
Mhm.
on the April 5th, we both are in the driving and we join your session and we both are listened and let's give it a try. We have spent this much amount. Let's try. Then I
Mhm.
have joined because I already put my purpose as I'm an on-premise data engineer. It's very hard to me get the calls, and my
Mm.
package also some little bit it's little high amount only. To
Mm.
switch from that package to on the on-premise technology, it's very difficult. Not getting the calls even I'm putting it a less notice period, 15 days also. I'm not getting the calls. I tried in that way. So
Mhm.
I have just when I'm just like I have an experience on data factory. Like I don't have much knowledge. I just
Mm.
have some. I know about it, like how the activities will go on. I learn only data factory and PySpark, and after that I joined your session. Okay, let's give it a try. And we have connected. And on that day, you discussed with me everything like this is my situation. I don't have
Mhm.
much time to spend 4 5 months. I couldn't able to because I already am serving notice period. I need to
Yes.
get the job immediately. And then you
Mhm.
have suggest me the path. Like what are the things you need? It's a kind of road path you have set. It's very clear like
Mhm.
what you have to teach it, how to go through it. By the time I got to know whatever I know is very minimal thing. I need to learn lot many things. So we have started together our journey, and you have given me the guidance in such a way that what are the things I need to focus first, and
Mhm.
then at the road path you have set. Then I have set one day, the next day when we meet on um, we met, we just have spoken on April 7th. Then I have said what I have to do. And you have given me access to the batchline recordings also. So what
Yes.
were happened at that time? By that time, the course was Azure Data, PySpark is starting. So
Mm.
what I can do? from this. Then I have started, and after that you told me that about 5 a.m. club. I'm
Mm.
telling you, this helps me a lot. I
Okay.
have started 5 a.m. club. I have
Mm.
manifested, and every day I used to write whatever the thing I want to complete. I
Mm.
like you have given me 4 5 steps. What are the certification I need to complete? What are the courses
Okay.
I need to complete? What is the hacker ranks codings I need to complete? I will tell you each
Mm.
and everything how it helps me.
Okay.
And on the first day, we have started in the DP 900 certification. I thought that earlier also I was trying to complete all these certifications and go through the YouTube, and I felt like it's impossible thing we couldn't able to do. DP9 after earning the DP 900, I understood that it's very easiest certification. And whatever
Mm.
the terms you have given, whatever the course I have gone through the I have gone through your videos and documentation. Documentation videos very helps. It helps to me a lot, and I have attempted. I got a score like 972 out of 1,000, and
Yeah.
it's every day. My routine was started with you only. Like I have initial we connected at the morning 5 o'clock and do some kind of meditation. Write my manifestation, and then start learning from 5:30 to 7:30. This is
Mm.
my 5:30 to 7:32. Whatever I can do, I have started learning, and after
Mm.
that, do my household things. And again,
Mm.
my work will start at 9:30. From 9:30 to and again till 7:30. Again, my work will complete. After
Mm.
8 o'clock, I will sit until 10:30. I used to practice on this because I
Oh.
don't have much time. I have
Uh-huh.
very less time. I need to
Mm.
complete all these things. And coming to the certifications and everything, it helps
Mm.
me to, I have included all this certification. It helps
Mm.
me to get the interview calls. They used to ask
Mm.
me, have you completed the certifications or not? Yeah,
Yes.
I
Yes.
have completed. Then
Mm.
I understood what is the importance of learning the certifications kind of thing. And
Mm.
coming to SQL hacker rank and Python hacker rank, even though I'm an Azure, I'm on the data engineering from the on-premises, I have an experience of 11 plus years in the SQL. But
Mm.
SQL hacker rank, whatever I got the 5 star, I have finished it in the 3 days. But I have even the weekends also I used to practice a lot. I didn't give.
Okay.
I asked my family also, give me this time because I
Mm.
don't have. Give me this time. Let me learn all this thing. So even at that time also, the hacker rank helped me to like what I can say, revise my things, recollect all these things, practice
Mm.
more. We know
Mm.
everything, like, but like CTE and everything. Again, I have practiced and recollect everything. Python is
Mm.
new to me, but I know little bit, but even new to me, and I have done 5 star hacker rank and PySpark also. You have given me 100 questions. That
Ah,
helps
yeah,
me
50 questions, right?
50
That question.
questions. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
50 questions I have practiced, and manually I have written my code manually. That helps me a lot to get hands on PySpark and
Mm.
Azure Data Factory also. I have done whatever you have given on premise to the projects. Those things
Mm.
I have done, and
Okay.
these helps me a lot. And I'm not
Mm-hmm.
much aware of Databricks, and I have started attending the interviews on
Mm.
April 1st. From April 15th, I achieved all these things. The main helping is like we need to be very consistent on it. Very
Yes.
consistently, you have to do it, and you have to focus on it. Then only
Mm.
you have to do hard work. If you want something, you have to do some hard work. So
Mm.
I have, it's a kind of roadmap you have given me already. These are the things you have to do, Bhargavi. Then only you will
Okay.
achieve. By April
Mm.
15th, I'm trying to grab all these things, and after that you will suggest me how to put your resume and everything, and I created the resume, and
Okay.
then that was reviewed by them, and I
Mm.
immediately apply the jobs. I am getting the calls, and day
Calls,
by
right?
getting the calls, and the
Mm.
calls which I am getting, like I understood, like by attending the interviews, I learned few more things, like
Mm.
by parallelly the sessions are going on from our end. In batch 10
Mm.
is not completed at that time, still the
Yes,
sessions
yes.
are going on. I'm
mm,
just preparing, seeing the batch 9 recordings, and it is helping. Like
mm,
every day I'm getting new questions, and
mm,
I used to attend our sessions, support sessions also. I used to attend. I used to ping you multiple times also. Like these are the questions I'm getting and how to approach, and it will
mm, mm,
help me. And the project which we are doing in our thing, we in
mm.
our vision board, that is helping getting more hands-on practice. Like
Because
we have.
everything, like, and even every each small thing, I just added some gap also. When you're solving that one, you will be getting a hands on how a
Hands.
real time we are
Yeah,
working.
that give you more confidence while presenting you in front of
Mm,
the interviewer. That
mm.
helps me a lot. And yeah, um,
That is the
I
way you cracked, right?
yeah, this is the way I have cracked my.
I think 5 a.m. club is always people will get like a more thing, right?
Yeah,
Because what will happen, right? When I started, maybe my baby, that was the reason you can understand, like a 2 years of baby.
yeah,
But I can assure you, who are completing this 5 a.m. club also, they can achieve the success in their life because more powerful. Our manifestation, our meditation, everything will be. I was taught in that class actually. That is the way I was also starting my day also.
yeah. It's still I'm practicing the same. I'm waking up.
Really nice, Bhargavi.
Doing.
Really good.
I'm doing. I'm try to eagerly. I'm like a kind of learning person, so I would like
Okay.
to learn. I also ping you like Jenny. I would like to learn, but let's set
Yeah,
it
yeah.
and then I will
Maybe
continue
in
my
the
learning.
next level, we need to learn because you can easily crack it. The
Correct.
consistency,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
practice is all are needed to crack in the offer letter. You can also
yes,
understand, right? The time. And second thing, if you don't have much time, then you put more alert. You just
correct.
focus every day, right? This much of day only I have. That is
Yeah,
the reason only we can able to crack it. Many people think about I have more days and all,
yeah,
so I want to become lazy.
yeah,
But you
yeah.
should be precise on the timeline, prepare
Timelines.
well, attend the interviews again. I think now also you're getting the calls, right,
Yes,
Bhargavi?
yes. Every day I'm getting nearly 3 to 4 calls. I'm getting.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
I'm just telling you about just focus more offer letter because when you switch only, you will be getting the offer letters. So
yeah,
that time we need to negotiate. If you get like an 40 plus LPA, that is also fine. The people are in the market getting like an 16 LPA or 17 LPA, right?
yeah,
So that is how we negotiate. Currently, you completed all the skills and all. Now attending like an interview, they want to prove the person, the Bhargavi is the person can handle a team and given some technical skill also,
yeah.
then whatever the salary you can ask them, they'll be provided because companies have budget.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
generative AI will be help you next level, Bhargavi.
Yes, yes.
Obviously,
Right now
without
also
that one, ah,
right now also I'm getting a calls in such a way that like
mm,
they are eager to take me to architect roles also, but they are expecting Gen A.
yes.
So
At
yeah,
least some knowledge. They are not expecting more.
yeah,
At least some
some
LLM,
knowledge.
RAG, these models, how they're working, how the ChatGPT connection, these are their expectation. Even the fabric also. Because Microsoft is investing a lot of amount for the fabric involvement and all. So they are
Yeah,
expecting like in these kind of, I think you can focus more, Bhargavi. You will get a better opportunity in the notice period.
yeah, 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 yeah. It's
Okay.
good. Yeah,
That is really, I would say, one of the motivation story today I got.
yeah. Thank you so much.
We are
Thank you.
expecting more actually. And like an any suggestion, whoever having like an 10 plus years or like an 11 plus years. So what they need to be focused because people are fear about when I'm connecting
Yeah.
with more call, out
Mhm.
of 10, 5 call is like a 10 plus years of people. So
Yes.
they are telling me about the way my situation is not good. But what suggestion, what feedback you can able to give them?
If you ask me the feedback, first you have to be confident.
Hmm.
You know the things, but you
Hmm.
couldn't able to deliver well. Coming to interview, you will put like, I don't know anything kind of. Don't be present yourself confident and
Hmm.
learn the things first. Learn the
Hmm.
things very in depth in each and every thing, whatever. Like I'm saying, like Devi, one word from your mouth also, it's very important. One
Hmm.
sentence also. We need to
Hmm.
understand that sentence. We need to listen carefully from the classes and
Hmm.
complete the trainings and complete the path whatever you have given, like the certifications and everything, and you have to complete. And
Hmm.
think as we are a 10 years experience, we have to think in a broad perspective, like in the
Hmm.
project perspective we need to think. If you
Hmm.
get one scenario, you think in all directions, not only on the coding part. You have to
Mm,
think like in project perspective, how the requirements are coming, how it is surrounding, how the business is implementing, what is the benefit of the business for this scenario. In that perspective, you need to think, we need to think, as we are a 10 plus years experience, they are expecting this from us.
mhm,
We need to be little more little more understand the scenarios, and
mhm,
we have to present ourselves very confidently. That's only
mhm.
the thing. By practice, you will get. And I am telling like the documents you which you have provided, that helps me a lot. Like
Okay.
how to present myself, like self introduction kind of thing, and everything was
Mhm.
helped me. I prepared in front of the mirror. Also, you have
Oh, what's
shared me,
uh-huh.
because
Mhm.
I need that confidence. I got the
Yes.
confidence by practice only, like by
Mm,
practice. And I have done the project. In project, while you're doing not to not to completion. Don't think it's a
mm,
completion. Learn it's a
yeah.
your real world you're working, and
Mm,
complete the project.
mhm.
Yeah, that's my
That is
suggestion. That's my
that is
suggestion.
really good,
Yeah,
actually,
consistent.
Bhargavi. I think
Yeah.
consistency. I think people are getting these kind of a motivation. So I think hope you thanks for your time and all, Bhargavi, because this much of time you are investing and share your experience. I'm also thankful to getting the more offer letter.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I learned so many things from you, Devi. Like we were like we don't know each other, but we were in Wipro at the time. Like we are together work. Like we don't know each other, but the same period we
Uh,
work. I learned so many things from you, and thank you.
Thanks, Margaret,
I,
because at
yeah,
least you get an offer. Now you are telling the things. It will be completely fine. But now, as a like I'm kind of a sister, as a mentor, I need a 15 LPA or 16 LPA package from your end
yeah,
because
sure.
you have a potential. Nearing to the offer letter only, we can negotiate.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure. Devi.
don't think about you can negotiate. I need this one. You will be getting
Yeah.
because let me know when will be the like a notice period will be ending.
Like June 29th is my last working day.
Okay, okay, fine.
And I want to tell like the remote opportunity. It's a remote opportunity.
I remember actually, but
Yeah. As a
I will
mother,
connect you separately call Bhargavi.
okay,
Okay,
sure.
that will be fine. Okay, I'll guide you
Ah,
how
no,
you need to be.
I just want to tell it's a remote opportunity. As a mother, it's
Ah,
a like it's a dream come true. Actually, we need such kind of opportunity. I achieved this, and then thank you
uh,
for that also, because yeah,
sure, Bhargavi. I will connect in a separate call also. We need to discuss like and more about like and what are the companies I have some of the remote company. We
sure,
can attend. Okay.
yeah, sure. Dev. Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Bhargavi. Thank you
Thank
for your time.
thank you.
Bye.